Hey guys, welcome back, and we're doing a quick unboxing. This is my curriculum for the good and the beautiful, which just came into the mail. And so this is how it is being received. So the children will have fun with the bubble wrap. And let's take a look. Okay, the first thing we have is Keys of History, Year 1 History course, the good and the beautiful curriculum. This is for 1 to 8 players, ages 6 to 18. It is a board game, a 10 by 10 board, 8 player pieces, 22 game cards, 22 black tokens, and 1 die. So this is what we are doing our homeschool history with, and then it will be supplemented with some reading that we have in our personal library. And so if you're ever concerned about, history not being all inclusive, that is your job as parents to fill in the gaps, because no curriculum is going to have all of the answers. Okay. So next thing that we have in our box is this bundle. Oh, okay. This is not everything. This is just box 1. This is box 1. Ooh, mercy. Hard to say, because this here, as you can see, is our level K math. So we're missing a lot. It was being shipped in 3 bundles. I completely forgot that this is being shipped in 3 bundles. So this is Math Level K, Course 1 and 2. Parts 1 and 2. So let's see what we got. A tiny abacus, a die, 6-sided, and looks like a 10-sided die, blocks, good Lord, toothpicks. My child will have them. I'm going to have to keep them from him. Pattern block pieces, calendar, match the pattern blocks to the home shapes. So that's what that is. Match the pattern blocks to the home shape. So this is just the math for kindergarten. My place value chart. Oh, okay. Here we go. Pieces and shapes. Looks like a whole little packet there. Base 10 shapes, looks like. What's that? Whole work mat. Okay. Number cards. And handwriting cards. Come on. So this is, okay, handwriting cards from 1 to 10. And then on the back, they can also practice writing phone numbers. So this is our kindergarten math collection. So we are still missing everything else. So kindergarten math and history. I should have 2 more boxes that come in, so we will see what that is. But in any event, that's what we got today, guys. So we'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye.